Great to see all of you. And look at, as a Princeton spin out, we're building a wireless smart glass system for upgrading existing buildings. And what's in it for you with CTO? That's really why you're here, right? CTO was a step change for us in terms of progress and momentum. We work with Jonathan Ratner and NJDA, who you heard from, to offset the cost of the program. And then being a Northeast regional winner, we received a cash prize and also credit toward legal work. So we were cash positive for the program, which is totally absurd based on how helpful it was. We had 4 very helpful mentors. They were folks that not just gave advice, but actually got into the weeds with us. One of them actually became our new IP lawyer because I was so comfortable with him that we transitioned to his firm. And that was not his point of being a mentor, but he was happy to help. I hired 2 new team members through exposure from the program. One of them who saw us pitch, one of them who actually joined the program with me. So that was great, went from 1 employee to 3. We actually raised $450,000 in angel funds following the program. And a big part of that was the exposure from our pitch. And we went from reaching out to investors and potential partners to having them reach out to us. So, most of what we're doing now is inbound, which is incredible. In terms of our milestones, we're developing our first product and the associated supply chain, and the new team members we got through and after CTO are key to that effort. The most exciting milestones are our demo projects we're going to be doing later this year with Fortune 500 customers. And we honed our pitch and that beachhead market we identified through the curriculum with CTO. We're in discussions with some of the top glass companies in the world with regards to partnerships. And again, those were inbound interests following our pitch. So we're looking to raise our first equity round later this year. So stay tuned on that. In terms of the New Jersey ecosystem, as I mentioned, we spun out of Princeton. Our headquarters is still in Princeton. Our first money into the company was NSF Phase 1 STTR. So partnering with Princeton helped us get that award. Then we applied for the Phase 2 SBR, which we're waiting on. And the NJEDA is supporting us actually through a $50,000 bridge grant program while we wait on that award, which is very helpful. And we're exploring how to further partner with the NJ innovation ecosystem. I'm looking forward to finally going up to see Kearney Point soon and seeing Kwaku and Michael Myers to catch up with. But in terms of advice for startups, get to know your mentors one-on-one so you can have the best idea of how they can help you and develop a lasting relationship with them. But relationships are how we got through COVID, and they're going to be how you move your startup forward. And in terms of the essential business deliverables, don't think of those as extra work on top of other stuff that you have to do. Dig into the deliverables and make them helpful, the most helpful they can be for you. Those are what you should be doing to take your startup to the next level. And you hear this, you get in what you put out, which is definitely a trope, but it's also very true. Glad to be here. And thanks, Beth and everyone, for the program.